Hi, John Rice of Berkshire Hathaway Home Services talking about 914 Boulder Bluff Lane. This house sits on 4 acres, has over 3,000 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. It's set up with a daylight lower level that features 2 bedrooms along with a large rec room area and a lot of room for storage. Plus, on the main level, it has a main floor master, main floor laundry, plus a room that's currently used as an office, but it is a 4th bedroom, and then a very open concept. Whereas you walk in through the front door, you're walking in on beautiful hardwood floors, you'll see the kitchen on the far side. It's set up open with a eating area and then open into the family room, living room area. Out through the double slider, you actually enter onto a screened porch and you're overlooking this 4 acres that's partially wooded and partially landscaped. It's a beautiful setting. It's very peaceful. Outside, as you pull down the private drive and you pull into this long driveway that enters back into the house, there's actually an oversized 2-stall garage attached to the house. But then behind the house, there is a large extra garage. It's currently set up as a workshop. It has a lean-to next to it that's excellent for additional storage. Maybe you want to put a boat there or an extra vehicle, some extra toys, whatever it is. It's a beautiful thing to have right here on the property. Right here in Lowell, you're not far away from all the amenities that Lowell provides. Plus, you're less than 15 minutes from downtown Ada. So you're in a great spot. You're close to then shopping and entertainment, but you're also not far from the highway. So if you need to get to the airport or downtown Grand Rapids, you're only a few minutes away. Excellent location, superb floor plan, and incredible energy efficiency. This house falls into that must-see category, 914 Boulder Bluff Lane. Call us. We'll set up a private showing for you so you can stop by and check it out and learn more. We'll talk to you soon.